what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Desiree. And I'm back on it. Yeah, I can't do it. Yeah, I got a mouth guard. What to do? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Desiree, and I'm back on the cam with another video. And as y'all can see by the title, today I'm doing a review of this ring light I got from Amazon Prime. And right now, I'm using the light I always use. And it gives me a shadow, and I don't really like that. And it's a white light, but the thing that is in makes it look yellow. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is it. It's a lamp, actually. It's a lamp. So okay, it's a lamp. So now I'm gonna unbox this, and we gonna see what the difference is. This was $75, so this better work real good, and it better not break no time soon. Let me go get a knife. And if y'all hear any talking in the background, that's my daughter, my granny, my sister, my niece, and my brother watching Netflix. Okay.
A video?
Yeah, I'm doing a video. So we just gonna open these up. This is called, where my phone? Hold on, let me give y'all I'm gonna give y'all a picture on the screen of what it is, okay? So I'm gonna have to look it up. So I'm gonna screenshot it off my Amazon and show y'all the exact one that I bought. Cause if you like it, you can go buy it too. Use my promo code. Like, this is not sponsored.
Mama.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
So you got it's a Beauty Live ring light, and I'm not sure what this is. We're gonna open this first because I'm not sure what this is, because this is the light right here. So walk down. Okay. So it came with a new tripod. It came with a new tripod. Yeah, that's my granny. It came with a new tripod. I needed a new tripod. What is this? Okay. Black people don't read instructions, so I ain't gonna even attempt to do that. But this looked like it would go like this, I think. Oh, it go like this. So this. Okay, so I'm gonna sit this right here. But now, and we gonna open this up right here. Do like they be doing on YouTube. Okie dokie. Come on, man. Oh, it's tape right there. So y'all wanna feel me? Big. I don't like that fake stuff. Now let's open it. Dun, dun, dun. This got a lot of screws. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you very much for purchasing our product. We truly appreciate you for your trust and support. We're a small business, 100% Sanford. Okay, I said Sanford. This came in there. Come on now, I watched too many YouTube videos that said this can put together very easily. This don't look very easily. All these parts. Okay, so this is the part that I'm excited about. This is the ring. But okay, so you got this thingy. Take this out. And this, hey ma'am, leave that alone. You got this. Not really sure what it is. This thing ain't come with no instructions. Well, I don't see none. So, y'all like my hairdo? My niece did it. My shrinkage in the back is real. Don't play with me. Okay. So, this is the thing No, I don't want it right now. Okay, this for the phone, y'all. This for my phone was sick. Okay, I think this go in here. Nah, they don't go right there. It go on this one. Got to, because this moves. It moves. Okay, so we're gonna put this on here. Do y'all hear that microwave? The ghetto-ness of this video. The ghetto-ness. I am so sorry. Okay, so I put this on there because this would look like where it go. It can't go there because it's a can. Okay, this moves, so I think that goes here. I'm just doing stuff. Let me actually make this make sense. Isn't it? Oh, they gave me. Okay. I don't know at all. It's my daughter, y'all. She is running in circles, and I really want to help her be able to get this together. Oh, that's the yellow, blue. That's the white, yellow, red or whatever. Blue. Okay, it's turning down. Turn it up. That's all the way up. And then different modes. I think I was, okay, let me take this out. Let me unplug it. So, let me take this off. I think this went on this first. Hey, ma'am, leave that alone. Leave that alone. Unplug that. I'm gonna just get back to y'all when I put it together and let y'all see the difference in my video.
1 hour later.
Hey y'all, after 20 minutes of trying to do it on my own, my niece finally found the video of how to actually do it. So this is the one that goes for my desk. Huh? So this is the desk one that I can record with, and it can actually attach to this or something, whatever. And then this is it can get taller. It got 3 stages to get taller, so I can bring it however how I want it. So I'm gonna get it right here just so y'all can see. And y'all already seen that I'm using the lamp right now, so we're gonna see the difference. Ooh. Ooh. So now I'm gonna take the camera off this tripod and put it in here, and we're gonna see the difference. And I'm gonna turn that one on. Okay. I gotta turn it this way. Oh, it might go in there. Now, this is it with the phone in the ring light tripod, and it's really, really bright and beautiful. So I'm gonna turn the stages down, and that's as low as it get. I'm gonna try to turn it all the way up. That's as high as it get, and that's on the white light. Here goes the blue light.
Oh, cute.
It's cute. This is as low as it gets, and this is as high as it gets, and then this is the mixture. So this is the yellow and the white light, and then this is the yellow light. Okay, now you gotta press this one. So I'm gonna show y'all when it turns all the way down. So that's the yellow light turned all the way down, and this is it turned all the way up. And yeah, so 4 different stages. Come here. It makes me look way better. Turn that lamp off, please. And I don't really need the lamp. I'm still good. Ooh. Videos to be fire lit coming. Blue, yellow, orange, warm. Look at that. Look at that blue. It make me look different. Like my skin look different. So.
Yeah,
Okay, stop. Yeah, stop messing with it, mama. No, stop messing with it. But give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl channel. I got a video coming every day for 90 days. So go ahead and turn on your post notifications. Subscribe to my channel, Demir. I said stop touching it. Go play with your toys. Well, you ain't playing with my toys. Okay. Subscribe to my channel. Only thing I don't like is I have to have my own box. And like, what if I ain't have my own box in my house? I mean, everybody do, but what if I didn't? So, you needed a box. Let me show you. It's gonna get dark. I can't show y'all. But you know, like, the end of the charger piece, this. It just came like this. And for $75, I should have got a box, baby. And it was really higher than that. I caught it on sale on Amazon, so it was really supposed to be $89.99. I caught it on sale. So, it's lit. It gets tall as heck. This can move. Let me show y'all. I can do my TikToks. Hey, Maya, these TikToks will be lit right here. Look. I can tighten this. It's gonna lean. Oh, okay. But y'all get me. I can do TikToks like this, Insta stories. Bro, this how they be looking, because they skin be looking too good in the videos. Gang, them YouTubers skin be looking like this. They be like, I want y'all to swipe up and go watch the latest video. But we really like it. Look. Support your dreams, okay? Invest in yourself, because nobody else will, okay? Okay, but support your dreams. Nobody else will. Grind until you make it. Never give up. That's the key to success. Never give it up. Amazon almost went bankrupt before he became a billionaire. So, never give up. Okay? Follow your dreams. Thank you. Much love. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm really feeling this light, and it's the blue one. So, was that the blue one? I like this red one too, whatever this. I like that too.
I like you.
I like that too. I don't know. Huh? I probably said it just a little lower. Right there.
Put my glasses on. Will it reflect?
I like my hairstyle, my little baby hairs. It's a natural hairstyle I saw on YouTube. This video is short, and I'm gonna put the screenshot of the exact thing I bought off Amazon. And it is lit. It came with a new tripod because I really needed it, because let me show y'all the one I got. I had, because now I can throw it away. This one. It's broke. Well, you can still use it. You just have to take this one out. See, so this one fell out. This is the tripod I got from Amazon last year. So it lasted a year. It lasted a year.
With baloney.
And then and it was $20. So this did good for $20. Look, it got real long.
Yeah, you can
It just broke, so I'm glad I bought this. But this one came out.
I can bring it.
This one for this one. I'm gonna use that one because I just ordered a desk off Amazon. So I'm gonna need that one.
Just buy one.
You can have you can have this one, but to use it,
nice.
you gonna have to take
Why you
this
not
out,
use
or it's
this
gonna lean a little bit. This my desk one too. But when I start doing desk videos, y'all like order a desk off Amazon. Stay tuned for them videos. Them it's gonna be lit. So this is supposed to be a desk tripod too, but I don't know how wide my desk is, because this is pretty wide. Like, look how it cover up my face.
It's nice.
So yeah, it's metal. Knock somebody out. But I can vlog with this too. It's light. That one is heavy when I vlog. So if I vlog with this one, it'll be light. This one can rotate too. See? I gotta untighten it right here. So this one can rotate to where I
You
can
need
do
to get
it.
one where
I can do it like that.
the one with the rods is flexible. You need to get one of those, because that's
This is flexible.
Oh, no, I'm talking about the one like when you go out, because she said how she be getting those weird angles. She wrap it around poles and trees, and then she pose it.
I can it's unscrew.
You can unscrew this.
Yeah, I screwed that on there,
Okay,
and I can just screw it on here.
and screw it.
I can take this out. Okay, take that out. Yeah, I can just screw it on. But I got a ring light.
Took you like a
I
whole
got a
hour to do
ring
this.
light. Y'all, it literally took me 20 minutes. I'm gonna put a clip
Can I
of me
watch my
being
show now?
confused, but I'm gonna speed it up. I had them turn off the TV off because I ain't trying to get copyrighted, because they just watch Empire. Empire got that music and they gonna copyright me, and I ain't got time for that because I'm trying to get my paper.
I was watching Jamal. Demir, if you gonna shut that refrigerator, why you got bologna all over the floor? You gonna eat that bologna?
Life of a teen mom. Bye guys. Ooh, it showed the baby pimples, like the baby pimples. Ooh.
This should be a blooper.
Ooh.
Demir, you down
I
there
ain't
farting and
feeling
eating bologna?
that.
I'm gonna put makeup on for real now.
I ain't putting no makeup on. I do a little bit and here it is.
Let me see.
But if I stay back here, you can't see my skin looks smooth.
Ooh.
That must show them that
I ain't
stuff.
gonna like yourself during that.
I'm probably gonna have to stand up and do videos since it's right here. Like,
No, or you just do farther back.
yeah.
I lost my
I got one in my room, but I don't think it. Well,
Yeah,
the video's over.